Yeah. Eat your ice cream.
So look at me, guys.
Oh! Boy, look at here. No, I ain't finna buy no more. I'm sorry, son. You're out. Stomp your feet off. I'm sorry. Come on, you better hold yours before it falls. At the park. Sorry about that.
There, fruit cup. You're on.
Alright, y'all back up, back up, back up, back up.
Wait a minute. Hey!
Alright.
Hey, get out of that!
Why you been down?
I gotta do it. I want
What's the matter? You missing your mommy's mango?
to get
As
mine.
a matter of fact, I am. As much as your daddy's cooking.
Exactly.
That's how we do it,
You're
baby.
from?
Me?
Just at the park.
I'm from the west. Out there, beyond the horizon.
Look at my guys. My guys.
Oh, you gonna give your brother a bite?
Yeah, that's right, hombre.
I didn't tell
Where's that come from? We kill a man before breakfast.
Stop, Maya.
Work up an appetite.
Just bite off of
We
Kamaya's.
pepper him, and we braise him in clarified butter.
I want my own.
You dropped your own. You dropped your own right
That's what I
there.
said.
Right. Cause you
A
gonna
grown man lose control of his glandular function. 3
Ernest.
days in a horse carcass.
Go wipe your feet off and you gonna track that in my truck, boy.
Got a few extra aces in this deck, yeah.
That's pretty good.
So no, my Harrison's little rodent friend, I am not from around these parts. You might say I'm from everywhere there's trouble brewing and hell waiting to be raised. You might say I'm what hell's already raised up. Name's Rango.
Hey, are you the fella that killed them Jenkins brothers?
Uh-huh. Killed him with one bullet. Don't get no better.
All 7 of them.
That's right. All 7 of them.
Exactly. How you do that, Mr. Rango?
You know, I'm glad you asked me that. And I will be happy to tell you how. But you're all going to have to listen up. Because this is where it gets complicated.
Close out your account, Mrs. Oates.
2 goats in a swig.
Hands off, Mordecai. That's what's left of your college education.
I don't quite have no other choice, do you? Time's being so hard, we just can't.